Kasi it's been 13 years since I last went to Baguio. AIG, thank you. I'm excited.
Actually, 3 yung anak ko. Excited na nga sila kasi tinatanong na nila kailan kami mag-Hong Kong Disney. Lalo na yung bunso ko, parati yung sinasabi, kailan tayo mag-Hong Kong Disney?
After 6 months of waiting, first we raffled off trips to Camp John Hay, and then trips to Hong Kong Disneyland, and finally we are going to raffle off trips to New York.